Some of us are fine, some of us are thick, some long or curly. Every one of us is unique, but we all have one thing in common. Every day, women all over the world wear hair accessories designed more than 150 years ago. The common hair tie, for example, was revolutionized in 1845. At Ponyo, we feel it's time for a change. Ponyo is a high-quality, affordable hair accessory that eliminates the need for painful, ineffective hair accessories. Ponyo has a soft, flexible core that makes it easy to bend. It's strong enough to hold any hair type. The little bumps on the inside make the Ponyo comfortable and keep your hair crease-free. Stick 2 fingers through the center. Feed your hair through once. Squash the Ponyo flat. Bend each end down separately. Ponyo stays tight, whatever your day brings. It feels so good, like nothing in your hair. Ponyo is for everyone, and it's so easy anyone can do it. Ponyo comes out of your hair easily, without damaging your hair. Just open it wide and slide it out.
It feels tight, but it doesn't feel like it's hurting. It just feels good. I could wear it without getting a headache. So I wear ponytails all the time, so I'm ponytail expert.
I feel like my ponytail looks like thicker.
Yeah, it definitely does. It looks like more
It's not like
voluminous.
squashing it. It holds better than a normal one.
Oh, cool.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I love that.
Oh wow, that is awesome.
Feels fantastic. I like it a lot. That was easy.
It's really easy.
It feels really good. That was so easy too.
Wow. So easy. It's really easy.
It feels great. It's not pulling on my hair or anything. I feel like I could go for a jog right now and it would be perfect.
That's really tight. It is tight, yeah. It feels like I'd stay put if I move my head around.
And it's nice and tight. Love it.
Oh, it feels way better than a hair tie, for sure. Oh, look at that! It didn't like crease it or anything, which is awesome.
Every time I put a ponytail holder in, I pull it tight, and with that, it's immediately tight.
Yay.
Really?
Yeah.